So we got a 99 Ford Expedition with a 5.4, security light flashing, and the mileage where it should show the odometer. It'll have just little straight lines, and the security light will flash really fast. The car will try to crank, but it won't start because it shuts the fuel system down. What I've learned, the first thing to check is go inside the fuse box here under the hood, and then you got your PCM power relay. The quick test was just change it out with the fuel pump relay right here. Swap these out, and more than likely that'll fix your security issue. So I just went ahead and ordered a new relay for this thing. But again, that's the PCM power relay. This car runs and drives fine now, so just a quick fix for somebody.